Okay, so now let's come to the question number I. It is saying display the number of elements in a series. If we want to see the number of elements in series, then we have attributes size, series dot size, return the number of elements. Print then std this. Then I have used size this, and let me execute the code that it is showing 10. In our series we have a 10 elements, that is the size is 10. Then the next, let me move to next question. The next question is saying display the dimension of series. If we want to see the dimension, then we have attributes return the number of dimension and dim series dot and dim, return the number of dimension. And let me verify whether it is working or not. Student dot and dim this, execute the code, press F5. Yes, it is returning, you just see 1. It is one dimension, that is why it is returning 1. Okay, let's see, move to next question. And the next question is display the memory space taken by the elements of series or return the size of data type. Okay, my dear students, to display the data type I have used std.dtype. okay, when I execute it I got int 64. I got int 64 means integer 64. Then let me see how much byte int 64 is taking. For this we have dot item size, item size this is, and then let's execute F5. This is the answer 8. It is taking 8 bytes. If it is integer 64, it is taking 8 bytes. Now let's move to the next question. Display the sum of height. Now here what we have to do, we have to display the sum of height, means what the height is given to, we have to get the total of this height. Okay, for this what we will do, this is here print std dot sum. But before this let me print the series. F5. This is our series, and now I have to I want to find the sum of that sum of the height, means total height I just want to get. For this I will use print stud dot sum. Now I have used the sum function. I have used here sum function. This. Okay, let me check. Yes, the total height is 1220. It is working fine. Then the next question, display the maximum height. For display maximum height, no need to worry, we have a lots of functions are here. This is, I have already used sum, return the sum of series, then max, return the maximum value, min, return the minimum value. As the name of function, they have the same work as per their name. And that you see here. Now our question is find the maximum height. Then what I will do is dot max this. I will make it comments. This maximum height what I got is 189. You just see Aman 189, it has the maximum height. Okay. Then display the minimum of heights. Minimum, okay. Let me here I have used minimum function. This is 56. 56, who is 56? Sham has a minimum height 56. Is it okay? Then we have a next question. Let's see, move to the next question. Display the average of height. For displaying the average of height, what we will do simply mean. This execute. This is 122. This is the mean or average height. Similarly, we can use the various function. Here I am just giving you a hint how you can use this function. Like now it is median for returning the median of series. As in the next question, so display the median of heights. Median, okay, no problem. Simply you write here that median then let me execute F5. This is the median 121.5 median. We have calculate, we know how to calculate median, we know how to calculate mean, average. Now the next question is display the total number of rows in series, and for this we have a function count, return the number of rows. Have you remembered with this with function count? It is also in a where MySQL. Very good. Now print dot count F5. This we have a 10 rows. Therefore we got here 10. Then our next is arrange or sort the series value in ascending order. Okay, for this what function we have available? Series dot sort value, sort the data item series in ascending order, series dot sort value. So then I am going to use sort function. V student dot sort values, this sort values, then F5. Here you just see it is arranged in sorting order, whereas before this it is not arranged in sorting order, but here you just see 56, 98, 100. It is in a sorting order of values. Okay, sorting order of values. Now we will sort our data as per index value. Now next question, arrange or sort the series in ascending order of index. Ascending order of index. For this we have a sort index function, sort index, sort the index of series in ascending order. Let me do it, and Control V, then sort index. Sort underscore index. This is the name as index. Here we have. Now you just see. First is Aman, Amrita. Now you just see it is in a sorting order. Now it is converted sorting order. Aman, Amrita, Anu. This is converted into sorting order. Now we have display the first 5 record of the series. Okay, each time you need not to see the entire series, rather than you want to display first 5 records or first 4 records or sub records, then for displaying the record from topmost, we use the function. What the function we have? We have a function head. By default it returns the 5 records from top. How we will use it? Let you see. This head is F5. You just see it returned the 5 record. And if you want to more, it's 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5. And let's suppose that now you want, I just want to see the 6th record. Put here 6 and press F5. Now it will return the 6th record. Now the last is display the last rows, last 5 rows. You say last. This is something wrong. Last 5 rows of above series. For this we have a function tail. Let me execute it. Dot tail. Press F5. Now it returned the record from downward like this. This is our series and it is returning Amrita, Suchita, Arun, Miss from here. This is from here last. And similarly, if you want to see more than 5 record, you can put here the number as a parameter. It will display the record from bottom. Thank you. Here in this video you have learned the attributes and the various functions we can use in series. Thank you.